Hey Shane, look what Daddy made.
Shane, look over here. Look at that. See the blocks?
He's just interested in the camera strap.
Shaney.
He's like a little dog, like panting. Stop laughing. Shane, look at the blocks.
Come here, buddy.
See what Daddy made.
Come here, dude. Come over here.
Look at all the blocks. Where's this maestro stick? That'll get him. Where's your maestro stick? There it is.
You can use that to do what we want to do.
It was so funny. Now when we want him to do it, he doesn't want to.
Shane.
Shane, look at Daddy. Look at your maestro stick. Yeah. You don't care about those blocks, do you?
Shane, come over to the blocks. Check them out. Look at these.
Just because to show you can't make him do what you want.
No.
He only does what he wants. He likes to sit like this now on his knees.
Shane.
Hi, Shaney.
Shane.
And even back when he took office, conservative economists were saying that we needed something to stimulate the economy to try and keep up fulfilling the
Look at that hair.
consumer demand at that time. We can argue about the timing on health care. I think you can make a credible argument that maybe
That was so not worth it.
I know. God, the first time was so cool.